Hey Stalwart fam, welcome back to our channel. My name is Faith. My husband is not here, of course, because this is me filming what's in my hospital bag. I wouldn't say my hospital bag is the most comprehensive, but I believe that I have all the essentials. There's some things I'm going to put in, but yeah, we'll get to that. All right, guys. So, what's in my hospital bag? I think we should start with me and then go to the baby, or I don't know. Or should we do the baby and go to me? Let me start with me. Yeah, so I have this cute going home outfit. I think this is the pants with a lounge set or something, and something very easy and free. It has this very soft material. Then this is the top as well. The t-shirt. So I'm taking this along to the hospital to just come home with. I would also be wearing these pajamas. It's buttoned down to like allow easy accessibility to the babes when it's time for sucking in the hospital. All these are already washed and everything. And of course the pants as well. Let me show you. Yeah, so on to the next thing. There's just this very little package here that has some disposable underwear, some nipple pads. I have some nipple pads here, and disposable underwear. They're like mesh. I don't know if I should bring it out, but anyway, that's just what they are. Then I also have bras. So this is a bra, and this is a stocking, a socks that has like grips under it. So yeah, I'll be wearing that just to be comfortable to walk around in the hospital with the slippers. And then this is my nursing bra. And these are some toiletries. I actually got this whole bag as a gift, so I just decided to take the whole thing to the hospital. I'm going to definitely, so the few things I said I was going to still include were like my toothbrush, toothpaste and stuff like that. I'll still just add those in the end because I still use them at home. I don't believe in like buying new things. I'll just use some. I think we have some toothbrushes at home that are still new, the toothpaste at home and stuff like that, so I'll just take those ones last minute. So I'll just put them in here, but for now I have like I have the shower gel, this is a lotion, and then this is like a body spray and hand cream. So that's what I have here from myself. Then I have my Perry bottle. Yeah, so I bought this type. I mean, apparently everybody says that this type is like the best and all that. You'll be able to like squeeze water in when you're peeing postpartum. So I got it and I'm using that in the hospital as well to make things easier for myself. And I have this towel that I would use, you know, to have my bath, and I just picked a very dull color, you know, just to, you know, make things easier. Picked a very dull color. So that's all for me. Yeah, guys, so let's move on to the baby. So for the baby, I have this nursing pillow that I would use once it's time to nurse, to make things easier at the hospital. I'll be taking two other, well, that one is for Misha. I'll be taking two other pillows to the hospital because I think they requested that we take that as well. So, yeah, let's start with the baby. Yeah, so I have this cute blanket for the baby. I have this this is a swaddling blanket as well for swaddling the baby. Then I have this swaddle that like just it's warm, it's furry a little bit. Can you see it? Yeah. So it has this velcro, and put the baby in and just lock, bam, and that's it. Then I have some outfit pairs for the baby as well. This is like a bodysuit and onesie, then this is the whole going home outfit. Already packed all that, don't want to open it. Then I have this, it's a robe. I don't know, I don't want to open it. I already packed all these things. It's a robe, it has a robe, it has a swaddle, it has a cap, it has mittens, it just has everything, mommy and baby. So this is it. So I'm looking forward to wearing that so that me and my baby will do to mash. And there's also a gift as well. So I have some diapers for the baby as well. I have a broadcloth, one broadcloth. Then I have nipple balm. So this is a nipple balm and a diaper cream for the baby. And then I have wipes for the baby as well. So that's pretty much what I have. If there's anything that still comes to mind, I'll definitely remember to put it. It's not like the most comprehensive, but I think this is like majorly what I need. And here in Canada, some things are provided actually at the hospital for you, so you don't have to go too crazy. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed my video filming my hospital bag. I hope you learned picked one or two things. Hi guys, come nestle with us. We are setting up the baby's dresser now. We got some furniture from IKEA, and Uncle Boo is doing us the honors of setting it up.
Being the honors, I still have a choice.
I want the daddy of the house. It's been a long time coming, but we're finally here. Lesson has been, well, let's say on full gear for me. Trying to organize here and there, making sure that everything is ready for the baby, and these are the things that we are doing. IKEA and manual. Okay, I think this is the main one. Yeah. And the dress drawers will be inside this other box. Hi guys, so I am setting up the bedside crib, and while Uncle Boo continues with this, so this is what we're working with. This is what we are building. Hopefully it should be easy. I took the easy one. Uncle Boo is doing the hard job. Uncle Boo is doing the hard one. All this wood and everything. Yeah, so it looks like it's going to be easy to set up. I literally brought this out, although it's still shaky because I have to like fix up some things, but I just brought this straight out of the box. So it's kind of pre-assembled to a very good extent. I just need to attach this guy under it, like the bottom storage or something. And then I think that's what is gonna also keep it firm and stable. Sort of waddling like this. Yeah. So guys, our bedside crib is fully set up. There's a small storage under here. I mean, it's not actually so small. I can put a lot of things here. My breast pump, a lot of things, postpartum stuff there. And then the baby can be here. Even some of the baby's clothes and diapers can be here as well for easy accessibility, you know. And yeah, we are done with this. Woohoo! And it's so, like, it's mesh, so it's so breathable all around. 360-degree breathable. Yeah, guys. Meanwhile, Uncle Boo Alpha, how is it going? I love you. Not tell me you love me too. Wow. Somebody will tell you they love you and you give them that, they will give you thumbs up. And I know that somebody that likes revenge. Actually, I don't like revenge like that. It's you that used to do revenge.
See, cast yourself. Say you are that someone.
It's even you that used to do revenge. Actually,
no, you the cast yourself.
I don't used to remember things like that. Yeah, guys. So I start moving small. IKEA, and all those different things that they used to. Because you see the amount of things, coupling, putting, and if you make one mistake or something, you could literally put it in a very funny way. Although IKEA furniture, they actually help you to really follow instructions very well. Like, they're actually very detailed, but it's still possible to make mistakes sometimes. Uncle Boo, I want to go and eat bread. What do you want?
This life.
Do you want any dinner?
This life.
Do you want bread too? Should I warm stew for you?
I don't know, Jerry. Don't worry.
I think you would need it. With all this warlord. I'll warm it and bring it upstairs. Alright, guys. See you later. Uncle Boo. I brought our food. Of course, me, I started eating. Uncle Boo. Uncle Shell. It's really gone very far with it. I think the major thing is to attach this back and then to start assembling drawers. And that one safe now. A serious work, repetitive task. Please don't eat your tumble. Yay! So we have done this. Woo! First part is done. This is part 1. Then part 2 is to assemble the these drawers and.
Stay here.
No.
We can stay here.
No, so the reason why I don't want it to stay there is because it's better for the baby to sleep towards this side and have the dresser this way. Babe, let him sleep towards this place. This is where this crib will now be, towards the wall. And then this will now be here. 3 months or something.
You know that? What do you want to do that 10 times?
That last one was very heavy, Abby. Oh, wow. Yeah, all right, so let's move this here and then this is coming together.
So you want it here, right?
Yes, yes. I mean, not like towards the end,
It's easier
end.
to move before.
Yeah, before assembling the. It's okay. Yeah, amazing. So change the baby on top and all that. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Hey, wait. Watch your back, oh. Here we go again. But babe, I think you should eat before you do this one. What do you think?
Yes,
So,
this one is just the drawers.
it's just that it's repetitive. You have to do four of them.
The repetition is the stress part, but the drawer itself is.
Their drawers are they are straightforward. We've done them several times.
IKEA drawers.
IKEA drawers. Okay. So Uncle Boo is pretty much setting up the 4 drawers all at the same time. Literally doing all the steps at the same time, so it doesn't feel like he's finishing one whole drawer and then going to the next and then going to the next and all. It's doing everything at the same time. Kind of makes it better. Hey, Uncle Boo, what do you think?
Yeah.
So at least doing everything at the same time just speeds up the process in a way. I believe it does.
That's the best. Structural code. Parallel processing.
She take us to the computer science world.
Yeah. Definitely taking lesser time doing that. Also because it's a repetitive task.
Yeah.
I'll do the last 3 faster than I'm doing.
Yes, the very first one that you are learning for the first time.
Yeah.
Guys, we have 2 dressers now, literally almost complete. Just need to add this wheels for the dresser. And they'll soon be done by the time Uncle Boo just nails in those plastic nails. You know, and then they would all be fixed, and then add the wheels that would go into the other side, and that would be all. And our dresser would be ready. Yay! Glory!
Glory!
Uncle Boo, how are you feeling?
How am I feeling? Okay. The stress in my life, they ask me how I'm feeling. Guys, if you notice that I was frowning my face when this video started. Because this woman, all stress life me, man.
I've already entered nesting mode, like.
Now you know enter nesting mode, Abby.
Yes.
I throw you, Amma.
Wow. You really want to throw that hammer?
Maybe you will touch it.
Okay. I'll use my stomach to catch it.
After all, the Bible says he shall give his angels charge over you to keep you in all your ways. Oh Lord. See, I'm ready to shake carpenter. You know what I mean?
It's okay. Without
If Jesus.
all this instruction, I'm supposed to do it without the instruction. I will know that you're a real carpenter.
If Jesus was a pro at carpentry, what's your excuse?
I don't understand. I don't understand.
Assuming Jesus was a fisherman now. Hey.
Yeah, guys, so we are fixing the very last piece of the wheels for the drawer. So I'm saying we are fixing as if I'm doing anything. But I helped you hold this thing. Guys, I helped Uncle hold like 2.
And you were helping me put food in my mouth.
Yes, I fed him. I single-handedly fed him.
Count for something.
Count for something. Yes, so I think Uncle already did 2 of the drawers, so it's time to do the rest. Amazing. It's time to commission the project.
Sister B, can
Yeah,
I rest
present
now?
it to me. Present it to me.
I present to you the sweat of my blood, the blood of my sweat, the pain in my back,
Uh-huh.
the pain on my knees,
Uh-huh.
the tension in my muscles.
Hooray.
After all the hard work, dress up for your darling baby.
Thank you. Yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Please make sure you everything, all that good stuff, drop a lovely comment. Anything I missed, just drop it in the comments below so that I can still work on adding it to my list. Yeah, so guys, till you come here again, keep loving and keep believing. I'm saying we because it's usually my husband and I, we are the Stalwart lovers. Peace.